this L-shaped bracket has to go within 6 inches from here. Put it here, so we're just gonna mount it like this. Gotta drill 2 holes. They say the drill bit has to be 5/16. So let's do it. They call this the lower rod, and we're just going to set it approximately 1 inch from that radiator brace. So we put it here like this. There it is. You can see get your marker and just mark these holes where they are. So we're going to get the drill bit, and you don't have to use all 6 holes, but I'm going to use the 2 on the top and 2 in the bottom. Right. This one, this one, this one, this one. This right here is going to be bolted up to the top there. So they say put the sleeve in first. So I got the sleeve in there. Now I'm going to mount this. They have the supplied metal screws, and those are 10 millimeters. Now, we're going to get the supply nut and bolt that goes into there. So I'm going to use this bolt, that lock nut, and a flat washer to attach. Alright, so I end up using a 7/16 here and a big screwdriver here as the Phillips. You can use both Phillips or regular screwdriver, but it seems like the screwdriver worked better, so I tightened it up. Well, this kit came with this bracket, and the bracket wasn't spaced correctly for both of these bolts, and the diameter of the hole wasn't big enough for this bolt as well. So to put this U bracket on, it's pretty simple. Just unscrew it and take it out and wrap it around the bar. But I'm a little bummed out the way it looks. That's just my opinion. It just doesn't look clean. So I put it on the other pin over here with that bolt, with that nut, and that's the way that's the way it sits. So from here to here it's clean, except for that bottom piece. And same thing with this bracket. I had to make this hole bigger to go around one of these bolts. The holes were the correct size for these pin bolts, because that's the pin, the head that holds the shock, the round part. It's holding it up no problem. For years, I don't know how many years this has been used, but pretty cool to have it up like that. I had to make some final adjustments where that bracket had to go back, as opposed to having it straight up. This bracket here, I had to go back with it. Same thing with the other side. And it stays up, closes, opens. So there it is. All right, if you got any questions, concerns, opinions, don't hesitate to jot them down. This is a free YouTube channel. Don't forget, throw that like button, because for some reason it helps. And if you haven't subscribed, throw me a kudo by subscribing. It's free. All right, guys and girls, take it easy.